Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Ari Sandiran, President of MIHRM, to deliver his speech.
Terima kasih kepada saudara dan saudari juruacara yang berhormat Datuk Seri Haji Ismail bin Haji Abdul Muttalib, Timbalan Menteri Sumber Malaysia Malaysia, yang berusaha Encik Suresh Teru, Ketua Pegawai Operasi JobStreet, yang berbahagia Encik Johan Muhammad Marikan, Ketua Pegawai Eksekutif Telekom Malaysia, yang berbahagia Encik CM Vignesberg, Ketua Pegawai Eksekutif PSNB, yang berusaha Cik Eng Man Min, Ketua Pegawai Operasi MDEC, yang berusaha Paul Wai Chuk, Country Manager JobStreet.com, yang berusaha Dr. Mazuki and family. Tan Sri Dato' Ahli Jabatan Kuasa MIHRM, Ahli Jabatan Kuasa JobStreet.com, wakil-wakil dari media, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan sekalian. Terlebih dahulu kami amat berbesar hati mengalu-alukan kedatangan yang berhormat Datuk Seri Haji Ismail bin Haji Abdul Muttalib, Timbalan Menteri Sumber Malaysia Malaysia, dan merakamkan ucapan terima kasih atas kesudian yang berhormat bersama-sama kita pada malam istimewa ini, walaupun beliau sedikit kurang sehat. Pada hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, selamat datang ke Majlis Makan Malam dan penyampaian Anugerah Sumber Malaysia Malaysia ke-14 yang dianjurkan oleh MIHRM bersama JobStreet.com. Yang berhormat Datuk Seri, kami dengan rendah diri memohon izin meneruskan ucapan seterusnya dalam bahasa Inggeris. Once again, welcome to the Malaysia HR Awards 2014 Dinner and Award Presentation organized by MIHRM in partnership with JobStreet.com. Let's be in a mood of joy in this evening. Please give a fire to the person next to you and say, let's celebrate our victory. I don't see a fire. You know, the HR fraternity is always a shy crowd. Okay? We never boast of our achievements, but today we have to. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Our nation has a vision to become a developed nation by 2020. Now, the attainment of the vision depends not only on our great leaders, but also on the industry players, the people, and every arm of society. Similarly, MIHRM and the HR professionals have a vision to make MIHRM a strong HR body compared to organizations in developed nations. Certainly, this vision needs the support of the government, the industries, and the people. In this aspect, we are always grateful for the support given by the Ministry of Human Resources and today by the gracious presence of the Honorable Deputy Minister of Human Resources. It also gives us great pride and honor to take this opportunity on behalf of the HR community gathered here to say congratulations to YB on his conferment of Dato' on the night of our 13th Malaysia HR Awards last year. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the HR profession, we are proud and indeed very proud that the Malaysia HR Awards, partnered with JobStreet.com, has become a significant event in the Malaysian landscape, as it provides a global recognition to the winning organizations and individuals in view of MIHRM's global affiliations of 93 countries. As such, the award categories and criteria are carefully drawn with that perspective in mind. Now, while on the world affiliations, today as a privileged audience and as a winning group gathered tonight, it is our pleasure on this occasion to share with you the next challenges in HR based on survey findings made in 93 countries and concluded last month. So you are the first one to know about it. The 5 main critical issues and challenges that you will be facing are: 1, of course, all of you know, managing talent. As Asia is expanding, there will be a greater demand for talents. Talent pool will extend beyond borders, beyond nations, and beyond nationals, attracting and retaining diverse groups, and nationals will become a big challenge for all countries in Malaysia and Asia. 2, managing demographics. That is, managing the loss of capacity and knowledge as employees retire requires strategic plans in place without affecting the growth of the organization. And this is another challenge. 3, managing the aging of the workforce, including. Now, this is paramount for productivity, flexibility, agility, and other issues that comes along with aging workforce, and also to cope with the changing business complexities and speed to an increasingly global economy. So you see, the challenges are so great. So if your organizations are not giving the due respect to HR, I'm sure many of the CEOs are here, they will give from now on. 4, managing work-life balance. This is a modern requirement of the highly talented individuals who care for work-life balance. How many of you want work-life balance? Oh, okay. But if you, all of you want, all of us, okay. Companies would need to balance their philosophy and embrace work flexibilities and programs that will entice, attract, and retain talented workforce. The last and the 5th is managing change and cultural transformation. Recruiting beyond borders invites new culture values, and hence managing corporate and cultural change will become a critical capability and a challenge to HR. So these are the 5 critical issues that will come along with you in the next few years. Now, certainly, our future HR awards will take all these challenges and achievements by organizations into consideration to qualify for the awards. So the awards will become more stringent and more difficult to get. Therefore, we are always proud that the awards won by winners always sets new benchmarks in HR standards and excellence, and collectively creates a greater awareness and meaning to the term employer of choice and a brand for MIHRM. We congratulate all participants and winners of the awards, individuals and organizations for the victory and contributions to HR excellence in their organizations and collectively to the nation. We also like to record the achievements of the past MIHRM councils over the years since 1976 and the professionals since 1976 for their contributions to the nation, especially in the numerous growth areas where they scored the first from records, it shows in 1976, MIHRM and the HR professionals were the first to introduce HR education as a professional qualification in Malaysia before it spread into universities and colleges. In 1999, MIHRM and the HR professionals introduced the Malaysia HR Awards, and today there are many others doing the same, but sadly, without realizing that our awards has a vision and a global recognition. In 2009, MIHRM and the HR professionals introduced the HR certification program, and now HR certification has become a national agenda. In 2012, MIHRM and the HR professionals were accepted as the industrial lead body by JPK for business management, which includes HR, and we have delivered several laws for HR and business management positions. Now, more serious, come 2015, MIHRM and the HR professionals, in partnership with Health University, will conduct the world's first HR Directors Certification Program, so that our Malaysian HR professionals have an opportunity. If you aim to be a director, you have the chance and you can compete in Asia. Therefore, let's give this team, MIHRM and the professionals, an applause for such push for the profession in Malaysia. Now we want to record the sponsors of today's event, namely the gold sponsors. First, the management of Maybank, and secondly, the management of MDAC. Both these organizations need a special appreciation deep from our heart, as they have been gold sponsors for a continuous 6 years since 2009. Thank you. And also tell yourself, we will join them next year. Especially those of you who have your CEOs with you, please tell them to be our sponsors. We also like to thank the supporting sponsors, namely management of RHB Bank, management of Maju Holdings, management of KL Hilton, for their support. Please join me to give them applause. Since I have started in bahasa, let me conclude in bahasa. Dan seterusnya, kami juga ingin mengucapkan syabas dan tahniah kepada semua individu dan syarikat yang terlibat dalam menjayakan anugerah malam ini. Kami juga mengucapkan terima kasih kepada pegawai-pegawai MIHRM dan JobStreetCom yang bekerja keras bagi menjayakan program malam ini, dan termasuk ahli muzik, wakil media dan wakil dari Leader Norwix. Hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, syabas dan tahniah kepada semua pemenang Anugerah Sumber Manusia 2014. Marilah sama-sama merayakan kejayaan pada malam ini. Dan sekali lagi, dan dengan penuh hati, kami ingin mengucapkan setinggi-tinggi terima kasih dan penghargaan kepada Yang Berhormat Datuk Seri Haji Ismail bin Haji Muttalib, Timbalan Menteri Sumber Manusia Malaysia, for his attendance today. Please give him a loud applause. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Ari. Yes, the 5 global HR challenges are very important. We need to document the success and achievement of all past MIHRM, HR Council, and professionals for their contribution to the nation. Thank you very much, Mr. Ari Sandiran, for the informative speech.
Thank you. We've now come to one of the highlights of the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, dinner will be served. Let us welcome the food presentation by KL Hilton.